It's just like a night out without going anywhere. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. And today we have another adventure in our ongoing discovery of restaurant drinks. I've told you before, whenever Lisa and I go out, they have a drink menu. I check it out, I take a picture of it because a lot of them are really interesting to me and they look really good, but we just can't drink them all while we're there. So I take the picture, bring it on home and kind of make it ourselves. And I have 3 for you today. One from a place everybody knows, one from a place that is regional, and one from a place where we go on vacation. So let's start with the one everybody's gonna know, and that is from Texas Roadhouse, and it's called a Texas Peach Fuzz. Now, I don't know, I just get the ingredients. I don't necessarily know the proportions, but I just kind of wing it and we'll see how it goes, and who knows? It's probably gonna be a good drink, but either way, we're gonna have fun and we're gonna have some cocktails to drink. This is really easy. It's gonna be 1.5 ounces of vodka. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of peach schnapps, not a lot, because peach schnapps is pretty strong. That's only about 1/2 ounce. And then it's really just filling it up with some juice. We need some cranberry juice, some orange juice, give it a little stir. Give it a little straw. Give it a little garnish. What do I want to put in here? I want to put this in here, an orange. I want to wipe up a little bit. And as simple as that, the first drink in our trip to your favorite restaurant from Texas Roadhouse, the Texas Peach Fuzz. Okay, moving on. This drink comes from a restaurant called Primanti Brothers. Now, if you're from the Northeast, specifically Pennsylvania, Western Pennsylvania, there is a sandwich restaurant chain in Western Pennsylvania called Primanti Brothers. They've been on TV. They make, what they do is they get all kind of different sandwiches and they griddle it on the flat top, and then you put cheese. They have different things. They got pastrami, roast beef, turkey, ham, steak meat, fish, chicken, burger, whatever. It's phenomenal in Pittsburgh. Actually, we have one where we live on the eastern part of the state. And then on the sandwich, they put that on the sandwich, and then they put the fries right on the sandwich. They're fresh cut fries right on the sandwich with tomato and coleslaw, but it's not coleslaw like you think, like mayo coleslaw. It's actually like oil and vinegar coleslaw, and it's like on thick cut Italian bread. They just give it to you, boom, that's the sandwich, and they're really good. And they have their own kind of signature drinks, and one of them is called a duck juice. Now, I don't know the whole thing with the ducks. There's apparently something with Primanti's and the ducks. I don't really know what that is. But if you're from Western PA, let me know in the comments, because I should probably ask somebody at the restaurant next time we go. And this is kind of like basically like a nice fruit punch. And it's gonna have, let me rinse this out a little bit. It's gonna have some spiced rum. And then after some spiced rum is some coconut rum. They're actually sponsored. They you go to all these chain restaurant menus and they call for specific brands because I guess they get they get advertising from the different liquor brands, but use whatever you have. And then some banana liqueur. I'm just going to do half of banana. And then raz liqueur. Again, just half. Now, I don't know these proportions. I should probably order these drinks and probably like watch them make them sometime, see if I can figure it out. But for our purposes, I think this is going to be pretty good. And then just some pineapple juice. Give that a stir. Seems like the appropriate garnish for that would be a nice kebab of pineapples. Another straw. And from Pittsburgh's Primanti brothers, a duck juice. And now finally, the last one I have for you. I've made a drink from this place before, and I probably will again because we love this place. And this drink is called a pomegranate paloma, and it is from our new favorite place in the Bahamas, the Sunset Beach Club. They're great there. They always treat you really nice, and you're probably wondering what the heck I'm looking for. I'm looking for what glass I want to put it in. Let's just, that glass is kind of gnarly. They always treat us real nice there, and we always have a good time. I'll put it in this glass. We always have a good time. Sadly, the last time we were there, our buddy Romeo wasn't there. But, hey, you know, it happens from time to time. You can't work every day. So, a Paloma, as you know, is tequila and grapefruit soda. So this one is a little different because it has tequila, and then some pomegranate juice, pomegranate juice right here. Some pomegranate juice, some grapefruit juice. There's some lime juice. Again, I don't know the proportions. I'm guessing. I'm making it the way I want to make it. Some grapefruit. And then we're just going to fill it up with some good old soda water. And just like that, oh, we need a garnishment. And just like that, we have made our third drink from our favorite spot, one of our favorite spots in Nassau, Bahamas, the Sunset Beach Club's Pomegranate Paloma. So there you have it, our three drinks. And I'm really excited because it is time for the best part of the day where we say, ready? Drink. Now, I'm going to try this one first because I've grown to like Palomas. I mean, I probably didn't make that right. I would imagine that should have a little more pomegranate in it. If you're going to call it pomegranate, it should probably be a little darker. So when I made it, I put a half ounce in there, but I'm going to tell you to put a full ounce in there. I mean, it's good. It's refreshing. We've made Palomas in the Clash, and I've had them a few times. I've got a little bit of a taste for it. I think for my taste, I think it could be a little sweeter. Because I think with the grapefruit soda, you get some sweetness. Just with the pomegranate, the lime and the grapefruit, they're not really sweet. I think it should have a little sweetness in there. But let's put a little agave in there since it's tequila. I'm gonna write the recipe, but if you like a little sweetness in your drink, if you don't like it so tart and dry, yeah, it's a little better. I would recommend putting a little simple syrup or agave or something in there, but that's good. It's kind of like the same color. Next, the Primanti brothers from Pittsburgh Duck Juice. Spice rum, coconut rum, banana, raspberry, pineapple. Oh, cheers. I always forget to cheers you guys. I'm so grateful that you guys come and spend some time with us that I forget to cheers, bid you welcome, and thanks for having a seat at the bar. That's nice. That tastes, that's just like a really good fruit punch. Yeah, I still don't get the duck part, but that's a nice little drink. And then finally, Texas Peach Fuzz. This is just like a fuzzy navel with some cranberry juice in it, but you know what? Whatever. Yeah, that's good too. They're all good. So we hit the mark on 3 drinks, visiting our favorite restaurants, whether it be national chain, regional chain, or favorite vacation spot. And you know what? You guys can do that too. It's, experiment. Everybody's, especially on vacation, everybody's got a camera, so just take a picture. Sometimes they don't really like it when you take pictures of their stuff, so sometimes you got to do it on the down low, but we've not had a problem yet. But hey, it is what it is. Or just memorize it, take a little photographic memory photographic memory, whatever. So that's it, guys. I'm out of here. Going to enjoy these drinks, have some fun. It is happy hour after all, and as we all know, happy hour is the best part of the day. But if you're going to drink responsibly, drink like a pirate responsibly, and have some fun. And if you're so inclined, we got merch, links in the description, hats, shirts, whatever, all kind of different things. You can leave us a tip if you like. There's a link to do that as well. But most importantly, just come back and see us again. The Clash is winding down. We don't have many matchups to go. We're in the final home stretch, I think. But so be sure, if you're not subscribed, if this is your first time here, welcome. Thanks for coming. We're open. Our hours vary, so be sure to hit the bell, subscribe. That way you know when the bar's open. They'll let you know about it. You come, take a seat at the bar with your friends and enjoy some good times here at the Grantham Pub Underground. So until I see you again right here, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.